Hey there, welcome to another video on our channel. Today we're diving into an interesting problem that can arise when working with traits in Rust. The problem we're tackling involves determining if to and dynode references actually point to the same object. This can be tricky due to the nature of fat pointers in Rust, which consist of a base address and of table address. Now, let's delve into the solution that has been proposed for this problem. The key idea here is to use the as_node method to normalize the table before comparing the fat pointers. This helps ensure a more accurate comparison between the two and dynode references. However, it's important to note that this approach is not foolproof and can still have some limitations, such as in cases involving supertraits. Solution aside, it's crucial to understand that Rust does not provide any guarantees when it comes to comparing tables. To address this, one suggestion is to make use of any as a supertrait and compare the type ID along with the fin pointer. Keep in mind that certain scenarios, like zero size types, can still pose challenges with this method. In summary, navigating the complexities of comparing and dynode references in Rust can be quite challenging. While the proposed solutions offer some avenues for addressing the issue, it's important to proceed with caution and consider the nuances of trait implementations in Rust. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.